So let's show the Greeks in action. Here we have the options chain. We are under the trade tab of Thinkorswim. Let's open up December 31st. If you would like to see the Greeks within your contract, go to Layout. I'll just begin with Delta, Gamma, Theta, and Vega. So here we have Delta, Gamma, Theta, and Vega for the options contracts on the call side, and here is Delta, Gamma, Theta on the put side. So Facebook is currently at 325, so this is a contract at the money. As you can see, Theta is at 0.22, so you're losing $22, but a dollar move in Delta and then the share price would make you 53. So as you can see, we have a further expiration, which is limiting the effect of Theta. But if we move it in to the same Friday, you can see that the Theta value is much higher and eating away at Delta, meaning that if you have this same week expiration and you're closing into expiration, Facebook needs to be moving into the direction that you are at. For the call side, it needs to be moving upwards so that it negates the Theta value and lets Delta override increase the options premium. You can also add or subtract different Greeks that you would like. Let's say that you really like Rho. You can come in here, add it, or if you like to, delete it. I would stick with these values here to begin. So let's say you want an out of money contract on Apple. So let's look at Apple. Maybe you're unsure to select which contract. You think Apple in the long term is good. So let's look at December 31st. Currently Apple is at 171. So around this area here. So this contract is gaining $55 every $1 move in Apple, and losing 0.1 or $10. So let's say you're unsure. You would want to pick 170 over 172 because you're making more on Delta compared to these two values, losing the same here, and you have the same Vega. So you would pick this one, 170, over this one, 172.5. Also, look at Gamma. Apple is at 171. So between these values here, as you can see, Gamma has peaked here and is slowly losing value the further you get out of the money. Remember the contract, the Gamma curve. As you can see here, it's slowly increasing as it gets to in the money, reaching in the money here, peaking, and then slowly losing value. Remember, rolling over your contracts to increase the delta. And this is the Greeks in action for contract selection.